Hi, John Kavakis here with My Take. Today we're going to be taking a look at DeAgostini's box number 3. Now, if you've seen the first two videos, you've seen they've got a great product. This is going to be the first box that has a bonus car in it. It's box number 3. If you're not familiar with the program, DeAgostini is bringing Parts Works models that fairly typically found in Europe over here in the United States, and they're doing it with a subscription program. Now, you can find all of the details on the subscription program at DeAgostini.com. I'll put the address right here so that you can copy it down. So it's kind of a neat way to sell cars. They are focusing on muscle cars, and so far they've done a pretty good job, in particular with graphics and finish. Not all the cars are muscle cars. There's some other interesting cars thrown in there, so it keeps things kind of fascinating. So I've got box number 3 sitting here in front of me, and I want to take another look at it and show you what each of the models looks like. We'll talk just for a few seconds on it and give you an idea of what the flavor of the program is. So let's open up this box and take a look at what's inside it. Okay, so this box is a little bit different than the other boxes we had. Got different flavoring on it, but it's easily taken apart. The packing is good. The invoice is right there on the top. They have these individual cardboard containers that keep everything fairly secure. Again, I haven't had any damage yet. There are the magazines. I've come to really enjoy the magazines. They're well written. There's a lot of background information. This box has 5 models in it. So I think we've got a fairly decent package here. The magazines are definitely a plus. So let's take a look at the individual cars. The first one is a 1968 Corvette. Now, fidelity on this one is good, but it's not their best effort. It could use a little bit more chrome trim. The wheels are good, but they're not up to what I've seen them do before. So this is a nice model. It's not fantastic, but it's good filler if you're looking for a 68 Corvette. Now, as good as that one is, a 69 GTO is excellent. These two compared to each other look like two different makers. The antenna is a little bit thick, but other than that, the rest of the car is just fabulous. The badging, everything, the judge, the wheels, the trim around the windows. This is a really, really nice effort. And the next car is a 1971 Hemi Cuda. Another beautiful effort. The grille is fantastic. The shaker hood looks good. Again, a little bit thick antenna, but all of the graphics and everything on this one. Hemi is spelled right. We've seen some other models that don't do that. The wheels are good. The tail lights, the grille, just a home run on this one. The next one is a 1972 Gran Torino Sport. This one's nice as well. Really good job on the grille. Fantastic job on the wheels. Trim around the windows is great. Graphics are just beautiful. A really well done model. So far, we've got some really nice models in this package. And the last one is the bonus car. It's a 1976 Eldorado. And you know what? This is another nice one. Look at those wheels. Look at those wheel covers. Badging, pinstriping is just beautiful. The lensing on it's great. The dash is well picked out. The interior is well appointed. They've just done a really nice job on this car. It's a great package. So that's box number 3. The bonus was a really nice 1976 Eldorado. We saw the Corvette. We saw the GTO Judge. Other manufacturers done it. A few of them this well. The Hemi Cuda was done very well. And the Gran Torino Sport, just a beautiful little piece of model. And so we're talking about somewhere around $15 to $18 or so a model. It's kind of hard to beat. They've done a good job. They've come in that a unique packaging. It has an outer box that kind of prevents any damage from happening during shipping. And then it has an inner display box. So they're about what you would expect at the price point, but it's the models themselves that are a great value. So again, they're at DeAgostini.com. You can do /US/ it'll take you right to the American Car Series. And I just think it's a great value. Think about it. And, if you have any questions, let me know. This is John Kavakis for My Take on DeAgostini's box number 3. If you enjoyed the video, I'm going to ask you to put a thumbs up sign down there on the bottom. Would love to hear your comments. I like to be able to respond to them as quickly as I can. And I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'll be back again real soon.